This is really fruity, tart and sweet, and you get that kind of base layer of the rum and the spices from the rum, which pair really nice with the cherry and lime. It almost gives it sort of this summery cherry pie kind of note with those baking spices and the tart cherry. It is summery and refreshing, but not in like a beachy way, more of on a boat on the river, whether that's the Demerara or the St. Croix. This is a simple cocktail, but delicious, and it kind of hits all the boxes, and what more could you want? So let's go shopping. Okay, so our one and only booze element for the river cruise is going to be the Hamilton 86, distilled on the banks of the Demerara River, part of the inspiration for the river cruise name. This is an aged rum. It's got really lovely, like caramelized toffee kind of notes. It's got some warm baking spices, which I really like in this cocktail, because mixed with that cherry, it really lends to that sense of cherry pie, and it really brings kind of this base, rich note to the cocktail. And it is just delicious, and it's one of my new favorite rums. So today, we are going to make the river cruise. 2 ounces of a dark rum. These are some sad little limes today. Juice, buddy, juice. Is that all you got? Look like nothing. 1 ounce freshly squeezed lime juice. 3/4 ounce cherry juice. And I just used, so this is a maraschino cherry. This is Starlino. You could use Luxardo. Both are awesome. The Starlino is, to me, a little bit less sweet than the Luxardo, but you can always adjust this amount to your taste. Seafoam. A dry shake. Ice. Shake again. And then it's supposed to, oh! Martini glass, strainer. And a little lime wedge. And that is how you make our river cruise. Look at how pretty.